What's up guys, here's Cloudler from Visual Modo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to update my WordPress website, my premium WordPress theme, okay, into a simple, fast and effective method. So first thing, make sure that you have properly installed and activated your premium WordPress theme independently of where you have downloaded it. For this tutorial, I'm gonna assume that you are using a Visual Modo WordPress theme, a premium WordPress theme by Visual Modo. We do have a free WordPress theme as well, and the process to update, it's almost the same. You have two ways to check if you have updates available for your themes. First one, go to WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, and next to dashboard we have home and updates, and normally there is a sign right here, a notification that shows there is something to be updated. Click on it on updates, scroll down, and you're gonna be able to see themes. You can select theme and click on update my theme, okay? Or you can go to WordPress dashboard, review left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over appearance and click on themes. Right here you're gonna be able to see all the themes that you have installed on our site, and if there's some available update for your premium WordPress theme, you can click on theme details and update available. Just a note, only parent themes can be updated. So if you're using a child theme, please activate parent theme, wait a moment to make the update core runs and the update checks, and you're gonna be able to see this notice. And all you have to do after see this notice is click on update now. Just like this, we are updating from version 9.1.6 to 9.1.7, and the theme is now updated. If you go to the update section on your WordPress dashboard, you're no longer gonna be able to see updates available. Simple, easy and effective. If you have any question, feel free to use the comment section below, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!